All right, so here we go. The price of gold and silver, it is starting to pump. So what should you do? All right, so first thing, guys, welcome back. If you didn't watch the short or you didn't catch the short, I did pick up 20 new Silver Eagles. I did get those on a discount. I'll put that short somewhere in the description so you can check it out. But I did get them at a discount. I'm going to go ahead and open these up and pop the top on them. All right, so the first one, let's. Oh, sorry about that. Look at there. Wow. All right, nice. So here it is. Brand new 2023 Silver Eagles, and it does look very, very dull. Wow. Wow, that's pretty dull. Yeah, a little bit of tarnish and tone on there already. Wow, already at the bottom there. Check it out. So there is the missing read this year. It is, looks like it's about a 3 o'clock position maybe. Wow, just pretty dull. Not a very good strike at all compared to this one. Check that out. Man, that looks rough. I wonder if they're all like that. Yeah, they're pretty much all the same. Pretty dull. No high quality strike, if you ask me. Oh, man. Tragic. Anyway, back at it. So, what should you do when the price of gold and silver start to rocket or the moon shot goes off, where you have all the experts always on there talking about the max price, like, running away from us? So a lot of things going on. Crypto starting to run. Gold over $1,900. Silver closing in on 25. I typically do things a little bit different here on this channel, and I'm going to tell you why. So I'll give you 3 options. Number 1, the most obvious that nobody's going to do is sell. So that is one thing that you can think about. It's not one that I am personally seeking. I'm not willing to sell right now. Not a chance. I just think there's too many bullish indicators out there for me to sell personally. But that's just my way of thinking. Number 2, and you can go back and you can check out that video I did not long ago, actually highlighting what I thought might happen in January. You're going to see all these 2023s showing up, and you're probably going to see the premium start to come down. I also mentioned the bullish nature that is of January. So if you want to go back and check that out, then be my guest. So February, I'm expecting a little bit of a dip back down because we are going to get some more information from the Fed in February. So that's one thing to watch going forward. Man, another thing you can do if you still want to stack, you can look to that fractional. But as far as buying gold, that's tough for me to say right now. It's a little high for me, for my liking, and I think I'm just gonna sit tight on gold and see what happens. But as far as silver, the gold silver ratio is at 78. So it's still up there. It's got some room to run, if you know what I mean. So I'm not saying that I'm going to put a bunch of money into silver, but that's one option. The third option, all right, the third option is don't buy anything. It is a possibility that we do get a major pullback. Say the recession does go full strength. Say that we are going straight down, right? And we all know that people, they sell their paper silver and their paper gold to cover their losses, all right? So that is one possibility, guys. So you have to think about that whenever you are buying this stuff. So keep that in mind. Doesn't mean that we're off to the moons and everything's going crazy. So Bitcoin, yes, I told you guys I would give you a little bit of content on Bitcoin. I'm a little hesitant on the BTC and the ETH right now. I kind of want to see how this plays out. It is tricky. We are still in a bear market, keep in mind. And the thing that also keeps my interest peaked as far as gold, silver, and crypto for that matter is the fact that we really haven't seen the decline in the dollar at all, really. I mean, it's down from its high of 114, I think it was, down to, I think it's at 102. And I don't think we're going to see those magic, rockets going off until it gets sub 100. So I think a pullback is coming. Not necessarily a rug pull, but I do think a pullback will be coming. And I just feel that now is a great time to either stack some cash or pick up some collectibles, which I did. I grabbed some collectibles. They should be in next week, and I'll bring those to you. And also, guys, be patient. It's a long game. Don't stress it. Don't worry about the everyday price flows. But the price of gold and silver has been pumping quite hard over the last 3 or 4 months. So it's time to maybe possibly wait this one out and see what happens. All right, that's going to do it for today. Appreciate you watching. Keep grinding on your stack.